Hi, this is my sixth experiment. It is about linked list, and this program is based on the inventory system using the collections. So first, to talk about this program, I will execute the output and show. So first, in order to display it, I click the option 4. So by clicking the option 4, displays all the items which is available in the stock. And now when I click option 1, it asks for an item which is to be added. So I add something called eraser, and all these items has been displayed. And after adding the eraser, which is on the top, will be on the top. And now I have to enter an item to add before and after. So I take books for example, books. So I have to enter the elements to add before and after books. So I add something called gum before, and after I add something called glue. So now before and after the books, the gum and glue has been added. So now when I take option, click option 2, I search for gum. So it is found in the list because the item has been added. And now when I talk about third option, that is removing. So the element which I have to remove is gum. So it got removed, and now this is the final thing which is available in the stock. And now when I talk about option 4, it will display all the items which is presently available. And now coming to the coding part. So first, initially there will be an a string array. Inside the string array, all these elements are present, and here there is a linked list, and this string refers to the string array, and the stocking is present in this linked list, and this refers to the adding the array element. And there is begin. This begin refers to a label, and down there is something called go to begin, which means to execute it again and again. And now there is something called class called program, and inside that we are declaring this, and we are now we are printing something called adding new stock. After for adding, what you have to do is we have to add an inbuilt function called add first. By add first, it will add the element which we give in the top. Then for adding to the last, there is an inbuilt function called add last, like the elements which is added at the last will be displayed by using this option. So by after adding, there is something called for adding in between. So enter the stock to add an item before and after, as we displayed here. What do we have to do is, so we gave the first option, and here we gave it as eraser, and this is being added to the stock, and this part will be executed by using this coding. And now for adding before and adding after, same, the inbuilt function has been used, and for adding after, this add after is used as an inbuilt function. So this for each where item and add stock, this is used for the execution of it again and again. So this looping statement is used. And now coming to this part, it refers to the checking. To check if the stock is present, we use an a function, and here we are entering the elements to search the last occurrence. So if this condition is not equal to null, then it is found in the stock, or else it exits and it gives a message like not found. So in order to remove the stock item, we are performing this. Then this last part, so after all this, it displays something called add to the stock, search if present, remove from stock. So according to the choice, if we get the choice as 1, it will execute this part, and if we give the choice as 2, it will execute the search occurrence part, and 3, it will execute this case 3, and if it is 4, it will execute this part, and if it is 5, it will exit. And this defaultly, it is an incorrect choice. So then this as we told earlier, this is an label. If none of the options is satisfied, it will be executing it again and again. And this is the end of the program.